This is a used 2007 Lincoln Town Car, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Andy Moore Ford Lincoln Mercury is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2713 East Main Street, Plainfield, Indiana, 46168.